Enjoy the view of this 2007 Honda CR-V. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, moonroof, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, aluminum wheels, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror. Being adventurous never felt so refined. Treat yourself to a road test in the Honda CR-V and enjoy an exceptional driving experience.